Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best lunchbox with a cheetah print, the Coobiiya lunchbox for women. If you want a lunch bag that not only keeps your food fresh and cool but also adds a splash of wild style to your day, this might be the perfect fit for you. The Coobiiya lunch bag stands out immediately with its bold and trendy leopard print design. It's stylish enough to turn heads whether you're at work, heading out for a picnic, or enjoying a day at the beach. But it's not just about looks. This bag measures 10.6 by 8.6 by 6.3 inches, offering a spacious 10-liter capacity. That means it's roomy enough to hold your lunchbox, snacks, and drinks without feeling bulky or heavy. In fact, it weighs just 0.32 pounds, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to carry around all day. One of the biggest selling points is the high-quality materials used. The lunch bag features food-grade thickened aluminum foil insulation, which helps keep your food fresh and at just the right temperature, whether hot or cold. The nylon exterior is durable and built to last, with sturdy handles reinforced by tight stitching for extra strength and comfort when you're on the go. Functionality is key with this lunch bag. It comes with a front zippered pocket, perfect for storing small essentials like your keys, cards, utensils, or even your phone. On the side, there's a mesh pocket designed for drinks or bottles, making it super convenient to grab a beverage without opening the main compartment. The zipper is strong and opens wide, so loading and unloading your food is a breeze. Cleaning the Coobiiya lunch bag is hassle-free too, as it's designed for easy hand washing, helping maintain its quality and look over time. It's BPA-free, so you can trust it's safe for everyday use. Besides being a lunch bag, this product doubles as a versatile cooler for work, travel, shopping, or casual outings. Its insulated, leak-resistant design ensures that any spills stay inside, protecting your belongings and keeping your food secure. Coobiiya's commitment to quality and sustainability shines through. The brand promotes a green, low-carbon lifestyle with reusable, recyclable materials and minimal packaging, making this lunchbox an environmentally conscious choice. Overall, the Coobiiya lunchbox with the cheetah print is a fantastic blend of style, space, and durability. Whether you're looking for a practical lunch companion or a fashion-forward accessory, this bag ticks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you liked this review, be sure to subscribe for more honest and detailed product insights. See you next time.